Are you tired of painful finger pricks and expensive test strips every time you want to check your blood sugar? Then you've probably seen the Biancat Glucose Monitor circulating online, a device that boldly claims to be non-invasive, pain-free, accurate, and even cost-free. No pricks, no strips, no hassle. It sounds like a diabetic's dream come true, and that's exactly what caught my attention. But once I started digging a little deeper, the glowing promises quickly gave way to a series of concerning details that make it hard to take those claims at face value. First off, the so-called certifications they display are either blurry, poorly translated, or completely unreadable, which immediately raises a red flag about the product's legitimacy and safety. Certifications are meant to instill trust, but when they're practically illegible, it does the exact opposite. Then there are the endorsements from supposed doctors and medical professionals. But a reverse image search reveals that many of them are just stock photos paired with generic names and titles. That's a huge problem because if a product is truly safe and effective, why resort to fake endorsements? It gets worse. The Biancat website and advertisements are filled with polished visuals, but almost all of them are obviously stock images. There's barely any evidence of real users or real-world usage. There's no traceable community, no unfiltered testimonials, and no clear proof that actual people are getting measurable results from this device. Even searching for independent reviews turns up very little, which is odd for a product that claims to be transforming lives. Where are the long-term users? Where are the credible health experts backing it with data? Everything about the presentation feels overly polished but hollow. Now, I'm not here to tell you flat out that this is a scam, but I also can't confidently say it's a breakthrough. It sits in that gray area where marketing overpowers substance, and that's where buyers need to be extra cautious. In a world where your health depends on accurate readings and trusted tools, you need more than hype, you need proof. And with Biancat, there's just not enough of it. So before you put your faith or your money into this device, take a step back and ask the hard questions. Because when it comes to your health, shortcuts and slick marketing are never worth the risk.